Welcome to Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. As soon as you step off the elevator, you're greeted with a view of Universal's Aventura Resort right outside the window. The foyers here have such a fun, retro vibe, with framed posters straight out of the 60s and a gorgeous mid-century modern chandelier set the tone. Heading down the hallway, also, check out this psychedelic carpeting. It's like stepping right back into the groovy era. And now let's head to the room. Walking in, the first stop is the bathroom. This one has an ADA style tub, along with all of the standard toiletries you'll need for your stay. They even lean into the retro theme here with vintage style VO5 shampoo and conditioner and a classic Zest soap bar. Next up is the sleeping area. Two comfy beds sit side by side with a nightstand in between. You've got a notepad and pencil, a phone, plenty of outlets for charging, and even a vintage style clock to fit that retro theme. From the window, you can once again see the Aventura Resort, plus the parking garage and lot. Back inside, the room comes with a coffee maker and coffee supplies, an ice bucket, and even a switch on the wall to open and close the drapes, which I think is a pretty cool touch. Over here is the TV area with a big flat screen, a stand that includes drawers, and a mini fridge tucked inside. On top, you'll find the room pizza delivery menu and your checkout instructions. And finally, the closet. The closet has everything you would need. A safe, hangers, a luggage rack, iron and ironing board, and even an extra pillow and blanket.